Someone asked me the other day what this brush was in my recents list. It's a stamp brush of my signature so that I can quickly add it to my artwork when I finish it. Here's how I made it. Create a new document, I would suggest at least 2000 pixels wide. In white, draw out your signature, logo, watermark or whatever you want to use. Centre it on the layer with snapping and magnetics on and all the way up. Now tap on the layer with the signature and tap copy. Go to your brushes and go into the brush set you want to add this brush to, or you can create a new brush set. Tap on this plus here and come down to shape. Tap on edit and then tap import and paste. Then tap done and wait for the preview here to change. Then go to stroke path and bring the spacing up to max. Come down to Apple Pencil and change pressure opacity to none, and in properties choose stamp preview. Two settings that you can experiment with yourself because these will depend on the canvas size you use to write your signature and also how big you drew it, are the preview size and the maximum size for the brush. Preview size is how big it appears here in the brush set. When you come to use your brush in a piece of artwork, especially if it's a huge file like this 20-inch canvas here, you might find that you can't get your signature big enough. This is where you'd adjust the maximum size on the brush, and then you can have it much bigger. I keep my brush pinned in my recents so that I don't have to go searching for it. To do this, go to your recents, find the brush, swipe left and tap on pin. Now you'll have a little star there and that brush will always be right at the top of your list and easy to find. So now you have a super quick and easy way for adding your signature, logo or watermark to a piece of artwork from within Procreate. Next week, I'll show you how I do a similar thing in Photoshop or Illustrator using the Creative Cloud library. That's it from me this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for tips and hacks like this every Wednesday. Have fun, stay creative, and I will see you soon.